2, the difference again is the plus sign. The fact that we have object 1 plus object 2 now raised to the second power. I want to refresh your memory to a process we've already learned. If I have a plus b to the second power, a binomial squared. Okay, we've learned a shortcut for doing this. The first object is going to be the first object squared. The middle object is going to be double the product of these two objects, so AB doubled is going to be positive 2AB. And the third object is going to be whatever that is squared, so positive B squared. The squares are always positive. The middle object could be positive or negative depending on the sign. So this said minus B, negative AB doubled is negative 2AB. So again, that's the structure each time. Square an object, the squares are positive, multiply and double, get you the middle. So that's the structure we have going on here. So we have object A plus object B being raised to the second power, the same basic structure going on, a little bit uglier expression, but that's what you want to do with algebra, is recognize the structure, apply the rules to that structure to this problem. So I'm supposed to square the first object. Now this is a place where people sometimes mess up. If I'm squaring this, I'm going to get x to the 1 power, not 1/4. Okay? Some people think squared, they do 1/2 squared is 1/4, that's what they're thinking. But again, I'm raising x to the half power to the second power. That's got the same x to the m to the n look that the last problem had, right? X to the m to the n means x to the m times n. X to the half to the 2, 1/2 times 2 is 1. Alright? Then I'm going to multiply these together and double. Can I multiply x and y together? Beyond just stick them together? No, nothing happens, I just stick them together. So x to the half, y to the half is the product of these two. If I double that, I'm going to get positive 2 x to the half, y to the half. And then for the last term, I want to square the y to the 1/2 power. Same idea as x to the half power squared. So y to the half power squared, 1/2 times 2 is 1, so it's going to be plus y to the first power. Okay. For me, I don't tend to write first powers on my answers, so I wouldn't put the ones there. But you're welcome to do it. It doesn't make it wrong to put them there. And that is it. What's up, Braden?
On ours, negative.
Example 2 is negative?
No, my bad.
Alright, I think so. Alright, so x to the positive half, y to the positive half squared. X to the half squared is x. Multiply this times 2. We're going to get 2x to the half, y to the half. Y to the half squared is y to the first. Can't make it any simpler than that. These are not like terms, can't add them together, so that's the final answer.